Hello everyone, my name is Juwon. I'm in Trivandrum International School. I'm 7th grade. So today's my experiment is what is the difference between tumbler flow and laminar flow. So today's my material is 2 color of paint, water, honeys or corn syrup, and some plastic bottles, clip, and 3 straws, and some mixing color of corn syrup. So I will do first the turbulent flow experiment. So I need for that a glass of water and some 2 colors of paint, and I need some stick for mixing. So first I will open the glass of water, and then I will put the paint inside it. And then the color will mix and it turns into a purple color, because in water there's no viscosity, so that's why the turbulent flow happen inside the water. And then next I will do the experimental of laminar flow. So I need some you should mix the paint into some corn syrup, and then you need some sport also, but I does not have a sport drop thing, so I will use for straw to do that. So I need first blue color,
and I will put it inside. And next, I need some red paint, red color paint.
I put the 2 colors, and then after this I will spin this and see. Let's see what happened in this honey. I spin 2 times and I re-spin. The color does not mix it because honey has a high viscosity, so the paint particle does not spread easily. So in laminar flow it has higher viscosity, so the particle it moves smoothly and regularly, so it does not mix easily inside the honey. But for the water, the viscosity has low viscosity, so inside water the paint particle it mixed it easily. And now I will show the diagram of the this two. So this is the diagrams of laminar flow and turbulent flow. You can see laminar flow, it particle goes regularly, but turbulent flow it's not going regular. So now I will show the definition of these two. So this is the definition of laminar flow and turbulent flow. Laminar flow, types of flight: flow in which the flight travels smoothly or in regular paths. In concentrated turbulent flow, in which the flight undergoes irregular fluctuation and mixing. So now I will go back to my screen. So thank you for watching my video and have a great day. Bye.